Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to analyze data in Excel with Copilot. Microsoft Copilot can help you analyze data in Excel using natural language. Instead of manually creating formulas, pivot tables, and charts, you can ask questions about your data and let Copilot identify trends, generate insights, and create visualizations. Now, first of all, what you need is to prepare your data. So you need to have already an Excel sheet with the data already there. So here we have, let me just check one of those. So let's go with this one here. Oh, I don't have it. Okay, let's go for this one. All right, so here we have a couple of data about some details in accounting, okay? So here we have like numbers and we have some stuff in here like numbers. Here we have a lot of tables and we need to actually analyze those data step by step. So literally this is the result that I had when I used Copilot, but let's go back. So here we have data related to this part, to here and here and here. And what I'm gonna do is to make sure that I have Copilot Premium. So I have to go and click on Buy Microsoft 365 and get myself the Copilot. So go personal, family, or premium, depending on what you want, monthly or yearly. And then once you do that, you will have the button Copilot inside of the Excel sheet that you got. So once you do this, you simply have to go ahead and click on it. And once you are there, ask question about your data. For example, here, like summarize it. So we can have one table which is like this, that summarizes every single number that I had on this Excel sheet. Everything here is written by detail, which people who studies accounting will understand it. You can, for example, say which products generate the most in case you had a list of products with numbers of sales, etc. And just like that, the data will be analyzed by Copilot and the results will be created for you in another sheet file. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.